out there. Here's News 4's Melissa Holmes with more on that. Good morning, Melissa.
Hi, Joe. Well, the tax man cometh a little later this year. You had the past weekend to finish up your taxes, and you have until midnight tonight to send them in. Here are some last-minute tips for procrastinators out there. A TurboTax survey found that more than a quarter of Americans waited until the final 2 weeks before the deadline to file their taxes last year. Now, whether you haven't finished or you haven't even started your return, consider e-filing. If your income is less than $58,000, you can take advantage of free file options accessible through the IRS website. Now, tax software will crunch the numbers for you, leaving less room for math errors when you're in a rush. But acknowledge the limits of what you can do yourself. If you have a small business, a big investment portfolio, or rental incomes, it can get complicated and you probably need some extra help. A professional tax preparer could be tough to find before tonight's midnight deadline. And in that case, you should file for an extension. It gives you until October 17th to complete and file a complicated return, but not to pay a balance due. So send an estimate of what you owe to the IRS. Now, late filing or not filing at all could make the problem more costly. With interest and penalty fees, a tab can balloon over time. So pay what you can and work out a plan with the IRS to take care of the rest. And now also the extension this year is due to the holiday in the District of Columbia. It's Emancipation Day, which is April 18th. It's the day President Abraham Lincoln ended slavery in the nation's capital. It's being observed on a Friday this year because it falls on a weekend. Joe, back to you.
All right, some good advice there. Thanks, Melissa. It is just about 6:10. Hot, dry.